What's up guys, and welcome to Juliana's Hair. So today we're just going to be doing a super cute and easy style for any occasion. So let's go ahead and get started. Now I already washed her hair off camera, so here you just see me sectioning the hair into 4 sections to go ahead and start the detangling process. So the brand that I use is Just For Me, and I go ahead and just spray it on the section that I will be detangling, and I do put a good amount to where it is sort of wet. And I start from the bottom and make my way up, because as you can see, my daughter's hair is super duper thick and super duper curly. So throughout the video, just a heads up, you'll see me do a lot of detangling. So what I've learned from trial and error, having a kid that has super thick and curly hair, it can be hard to style and super duper time consuming, on top of her being a toddler, so she gets restless and it gets frustrating. So an easy method for me is just to style the back of her hair first and then style the front. So now at this point, I'm going to go ahead and clean up the part just using the comb part of an edge brush and then also some Eco Styling Gel. Now I'm a beginner and the Eco Styling Gel works really good with parting. Now it's not going to be perfect because, you know, kids are wobbling and moving and don't want to sit still, but it definitely gets the job done and gives you a decent clean part. I really like this particular edge brush because the brush and the comb are on the same side, and Juliana's hair texture, her scalp hairs kind of lay a little crooked, so with the brush on top of the Eco Styling Gel, it's easy for me just to brush and straighten those hairs out. So here I'm just spraying her hair with water. It got dry, so I'm just damping it up some more. Like I said at the beginning, her curls are super duper tight, so I'm just detangling again. So now I'm just gonna take a section of the hair and part it down, and I'm making 2 rows that are gonna be in a box shape using that same method as I did in the center, just a little Eco Styling Gel and that brush and comb combo. You should come out with some super clean parts. So now that the hair is parted, you're going to take the rest of the hair and pin it out of your way. Now this small section you're going to split in half, and now this makes it a lot easier to get clean parts and also that box shape. Now that I have the hair parted, I'm going to take the section and go ahead and wrap it with a black rubber band and do a 2-strand twist all the way down the hair. Here you're just following that same step, wrapping it with a rubber band and doing a 2-strand twist all the way down. Now you're going to do this all across the back of the head and you should have this look achieved. So making this style super cute and fun, you're just going to take the beads of your choice, put them onto the beading tool and slide them up the braids. Here I'm just securing the beads by taking the end of the hair across the bead and wrapping a rubber band around it. This should be your completed look. So now for the easy part, the front of the hair, we're just going to do a bun. So I'm going in with the Just For Me detangling spray and getting the hair moist and going ahead and gathering it all together. I'm going to brush around just to give it that nice, clean, polished look. Lastly, I'm just going in with a little eco styling gel and that soft brush just to make sure the ponytail is as sleek as I can get it. Now here you just see me separating the hair into two and doing the detangling process one last time. For our bun, we're just going to do a 2-strand twist and then wrapping the hair around. At this point, you are all done. Once you have the hair wrapped around in a bun, you're just going to secure it with a ponytail. Now this part is completely optional. I do baby hairs on my daughter. I think it's super cute, but you know, you don't have to. I just go in with a little eco styling gel around her edges, take that edge brush and swoop away.
This represents how uninhibited we could
Get it.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.